Hello, good afternoon sa tanan. I'm here at Barangay La Esperanza, Dagohoy, Bohol, where I'm here na ako sa Puntas Hills your area, which is no walay mga tanom na crops here sa unsa. It's a nice place, nice to stay here to have relaxing place. So let's go, come with me. Let's go at the top of the mountain. Okay, that was our barangay La Esperanza, at that area down hills. So we are in a highland, so our place is in a place where low, so but not easy to flood. No, there's no big river here. Okay, we're here at top, and so this place is another place. This is in municipality of Danao, where we are new to Danao. We're going just a minute, maybe less than 20 minutes. We're just arriving. We can reach the Danao.